Remember, sweetie, gentle puffs keep the bees calm. Just enough smoke for the morning honey harvest. Faster means more gentle, right, Mom? Oh dear, that was definitely too much. Cough, cough. My lungs feel like smoke bombs. Cool pine needles. Back away from the heat, sweetie. We need cool air and a mechanical fix, quickly! Whew. Good boy, helping fan the smoke away.
Smoker's blown its bellows. Let a mechanic see this. Cracked leather and seized valve. Classic overpumping.
A little mist will cool the heat. No panic, friends.
I must learn the difference between powerful and gentle. Smoke bomb! Epic footage for the farm vlog!
Don't look at the camera, just keep fixing! Need a new patch of leather? This one's toast.
Use this. It's from my old tractor seat cover.
Strong stuff. Will last longer than the last one.
The gentle mist cools the metal but leaves the leather dry.
Repairing things takes patience and focus, not force. Like a gentle rain on the pineapple field, sweetie. I hope the finale is a gentle puff, not an explosion.
Finished. Good as new. Now, try a gentle pump.
Thank you, brave badger. I'm ready to try again.
Perfect! Just a gentle breath of air and smoke. Now, let's get that morning work finished up, team. I'll do the rest of the hives gently, Mom. you at 10:45 a.m. for that strawberry smoothie. One gentle puff is better than 10 angry explosions.
Mission accomplished, brave badger.
Good teamwork, pup. Sometimes a break is the best repair.
Nurturing the soil is like nurturing a delicate bellows.
High-quality, gentle content is trending. Slowly, slowly, the honey is safe, and the bees are happy. Safety first, and always with a gentle touch. Time for a reward after a successful learning experience. Just in time. Smoothie time for clear lungs and a gentle day. This is the reward for realizing the power of gentleness. My lungs are already clear just from the sight of it. Gentle strength, sweetie, and fixing what backfires. The best honey comes from the calmest bees. I won't drop you again. Safe and sound, just like the bees now.
Everything beautiful needs a gentle mist to flourish. Time to fix the old water pump, gentle turtle. I found you your special tiny screwdriver.
Thanks, buddy. Every gentle action is important. Vlog idea, mechanical kindness. Subscribe now. Smooth cinematic motion for the repair montage.
These berries are plump and sweet, just like a calm day. Gentle patience always yields the sweetest fruit. Hydration is key to gentle, effective mechanical work.
Perfectly brewed. Thanks, Mum Elephant. The flow is gentle and steady. Perfect for the crops.
All the hives are calm and safe now, Mom. I'm so proud you learned that gentle touch, sweetie. Did you get the backfire part in slow motion? Epic backfire! But the gentle fix is the real star. See? That's the power of patience and learning. Live now, Backfire to Gentle Calm Vlog. A gentle heart makes all farm work easier.
Good job, kid. See you tomorrow for the next gentle fix.
I hope I get to fan away more smoke soon. Only gentle smoke, Lost Dog, but thank you for the fan. Time to lock up the tools for the night. Another day learned. Another problem gently solved. I love the peaceful colors after a busy day. The farm is safe when the work is done with love. No more loud bangs or angry smoke until tomorrow. We learn a little more gentleness every day. The flames look so much better in a candle than a smoker. Tomorrow, we'll start fresh with the new, gentle technique. Good night, sweetie. Good night, gentle farm.